flags. 195 source states the UN does have. 193 UN members and 2 observer states. We're the countries of the world with flags. I'm the United States of America. I am the country named Canada. I am Brazil. Here is Mexico. This is Colombia, Argentina, you should know. See you in Peru. Venezuela is near. Chile to the west, Guatemala, you now here. I am Ecuador. Cuba is my name. Bolivia is great. Haiti is tame. Dominican Republic and Honduras. I am Paraguay. El Salvador we trust. Here's Nicaragua. Costa Rica so nice. Visit Panama. This is Uruguay slice. Guyana, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago. Guyana is my name. Suriname is in tow. Bahamas are tropical. This is Belize. Barbados is relaxing. St. Lucia's what you see. St. Vincent and Grenadines. Grenada is the palm. Antigua and Barbuda. Dominica is calm. I'm St. Kitts and Nevis and the chorus is Nez. We are the countries of the world with flags. 195 source states the UN does have. 193 UN members and 2 observer states. We're the countries of the world with flags. Viet, I'm Russia. Hello, it's Germany. Greetings from the United Kingdom. France is who I be. Ciao, I'm Italy. Come visit Spain. I'm the Ukraine. And Poland isn't plain. Salute from Romania. The Netherlands are grand. This is Belgium. I'm Greece, you understand. I'm Czechia. Portugal says hola. And from Sweden, Hungary is what you saw. This is Belarus. Austria is at hand. Serbia is showing off. This is Switzerland. You're in Bulgaria. Denmark is Greenland. Watch out for Finland. Slovakia is in this lesson plan. They'll call it Norway. I am Ireland. Croatia is beautiful. This is where Moldova stands. Bosnia and Herzegovina. I'm Albania. Here's Lithuania in North Macedonia. Slovenia, you know. Latvia is what I show. Come to Estonia. I'm Montenegro. Luxembourg is kind. Malta is right here. Iceland is cool. Andorra is near. Monaco is small. So is Liechtenstein. San Marino is fine. This is Nigeria, Ethiopia, whoa. Egypt is here, Democratic Republic of the Congo. I'm South Africa, Tanzania is swell. Kenya is a special place, Sudan you know well. I'm the country of Algeria, Ghana is so sweet. Morocco will make you smile. I am Mozambique, Ghana's in the west, Angola is as well. I'm the Ivory Coast, Madagascar's here I go. Watch out for Cameroon, Niger is here too. I'm Burkina Faso, and Mali is always true. Here is Malawi, Zambia will fall. Somalia is shaped like a hook, I am Senegal. Here's Chad, and this is Zimbabwe. Rwanda is tiny, Tunisia is this way. Guinea touches the Atlantic. I am Benin. Burundi is over here. South Sudan is what you see. Go to Togo. Eritrea is on the Red Sea. Sierra Leone welcomes you. Libya is in the north you see. Republic of the Congo and Central African Republic. Liberia is on the bend. Mauritania is shaped like this. Namibia is in the south. Botswana is next door. Lesotho is a small country. Gambia is Spain you see. Gabon is over here. Guinea-Bissau is me. Mauritius is an island nation. Equatorial Guinea. Eswatini's in the south. Djibouti is shaking now. Comoros in the Indian Ocean. Cape Verde's island smile. Sao Tome and Principe well. Hello, I am Seychelles. Welcome to China. India has sacred cows. Indonesia's volcanic islands. Pakistan is in the house. Bangladesh is in a code. Japan touches the Pacific. Philippines are an island nation. Vietnam is here for kicks. I'm Turkey. Iran is punching in. Thailand's in the south. Myanmar. Next door I said, I'm South Korea. Iraq will be seeing ya. Afghanistan's on hand. I'm Saudi Arabia. Welcome to Uzbekistan. Malaysia I am. The ball is under China. And I am Yemen. North Korea is still waiting. This is Sri Lanka. Kazakhstan borders Russia. And I'm Syria. Cambodia is shapely. Jordan just won't quit. Azerbaijan. Here you see the United Arab Emirates. Here's Tajikistan. This is Israel's span. Laos is on the southern arm. I am Kyrgyzstan. Welcome to Lebanon. This is Turkmenistan. You're sure to visit Singapore. This is Oman. Don't wait for Kuwait. Georgia, nice to meet ya. You're seeing Mongolia and I'm Armenia. Arthur in the Persian Gulf. Bahrain, north of that. I'm Timor-Leste. Cyprus isn't bad. Bhutan's alive. And I'm the Maldives. I'm the country of Brunei. This is Australia and Papua New Guinea. New Zealand, here I stand on the island of Fiji, the Solomon Islands and Micronesia. This is Vanuatu, and I'm Samoa. Kiribati, you're here in Tonga. The Marshall Islands, Palau is what you saw. Here in Tuvalu, and this is Nauru. Vatican City and Observer State. The state of Palestine, Observer State, that is great. We are the countries of the world with flags. 195 source states the UN does have. 193 UN members and 2 observer states. We're the countries of the world with flags. Check out.